Hello everyone, welcome back in my class of embedded systems. This is Hari again, and in this session I am going to demonstrate a programming example for two-dimensional array. So I will start the program. Demonstrate, that is demo of 2D arrays, and this is how you can write your comment. And then as usual we'll include the library, standard input output library stdio.h, and then we'll specify the main function. So print main function will create the body of the main function. Now in the main function I will declare my two-dimensional array. So it is int, the name of the array I'm specifying is ARR. It has 3 rows and 3 columns, and I'm initializing the value. I'm not going to accept the value from the user, so I'm initializing the array elements. So how the array elements will get initialized? So I want to create 3 rows, 3 columns. So what I will do, I will put my first row in this, then second row in another curly bracket, and third row in another curly bracket, and then I will close this with semicolon. I will use to terminate. And so this is my first, this represents the first row, this curly braces represents the second row, and this curly braces represents the third row. In this, if since I have specified 3 columns, so I will use 3 values in this. Suppose my first value is 1, so this 1 will be in column number 1, then comma 2, so this will be in column number 2, and 3, so this will be in column number 3. In the next row, I want to put 4 in column number 1, 5 in column number 2, and 6 in column number 3. Then in third row, I would like to specify 7 in column number 1, 8 in column number 2, and 9 in column number 3. So this is how you can specify, how you can initialize the array element for rows and columns. Now for row, I would like to specify I as an index for row, and j will be the index for column. So using I will read the value or access the value for the row, and using j I will access the value for the column. So that is why I and j, two integer variables, are declared here. Then I want to print a message on the output screen. So for printing the message, I will use printf, and the message I would like to display on the output screen is array elements are, and then /n. So cursor will move to the next line on the output screen, and then semicolon to terminate the line. Now I will read the array element row and column wise. So first for loop I will use for the row. My row will start from 0, and since I have specified 3 rows, so it will be less than 3. So 0, then 1, then 2, so total 3 rows. And then control variable for a row is I++. Then in this loop I will specify the loop for the column, and here I will use j, and my column will start from index 0 and it will run till it is less than 3, and control variable, that is j++. In each iteration the value of j will get increased to 1. And then I would like to print the two-dimensional array element. So percent d double quote percent d for the array element, and then colon comma name of the variable, that is array, I row jth column, and then it is terminated by semicolon, and print f, because I would like to print the element in new line once the row will get completed. That's it. And then return 0, because the return type for the main is of integer type. So this is the complete program. Now we'll test this program by running it. Let me run this program. So here you can see, as I said, this is my row number 1, this is my row number 2, and this is my row number 3. And in each row I have specified the column. So the first one is in column number 1, 2 is in column number 2, and 3 is in column number 3. Similarly, this is row number 2. You can see 4, 5, 6. So 4 is in column number 1, 5 is in column number 2, and 6 is given in column number 3. This is my third row, and here you can see third row is given here, and 7 is in column number 1, 8 is in column number 2, and 9 is in column number 3. And then I'm printing the statements again and again using this print statement, and cursor is moving in the next line. If I am not running this statement, we make this comment, and then if I am running this program, what will happen? You will get all the elements in one line. So in order to place the element in new line so that it will look like matrix, I have used this /n to place the element of new row in the new line. So you will get the output like this. So this is how you can use two-dimensional array, and there are other ways other ways also given for using two-dimensional array. In this program, I am not accepting the input from the user. Rather than what I'm doing, I'm initializing the values for the two-dimensional array, which is 3x3 array, 3x3 matrix, and I'm initializing the value. What you can do, you can practice during the tutorial session. You can practice how you will accept the input in two-dimensional array, and you can perform some specific operations. You can work on some specific programming examples to understand two-dimensional array in a better way. That's all in this session, and I would like you all to work on the tutorial exercise to understand C programming language in better way. So that's all in this session. Thank you very much.